This 5-minute solution will show you how to contact Mobile Legends customer service. So if you're facing any issues in Mobile Legends app, then you can easily get supports from Mobile Legends customer service. First of all, launch the Mobile Legends app and click on this contact option. Select the help tab and now select frequently asked issue. For example, I want to report or appeal. So I'm going to tapping on report or appeal and selecting here report cheating. Now you will get a link here to report. So tap on click here to report and you will jump into a form page. Now all you have to need, just fill up this form very carefully and put all valid informations, then submit this report and Mobile Legends will contact you. So that's how we can contact Mobile Legends customer service. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.